Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. As we are studying about the sound waves, and initially I told you about the wave, that is the disruption in the particles of medium, and this disruption helps to transfer energy from one place to another place, and the medium can be solid, liquid or gas. And the waves are produced by the vibration of the particles of the medium. Basically there are two types of waves, transverse waves and longitudinal waves. In previous lecture I told you about the transverse waves, in which the particles of medium move up and down or perpendicular to the direction of the wave. For example, the waves produced in water, and the waves produced by moving the one end of the fixed rope. Today I will tell you about the longitudinal waves. These are the waves in which particles of the medium move back and forth or the parallel to the direction of the wave is called a longitudinal wave. If you are having a ball pen, you can easily take out its spring. Push and pull the one end of the spring to produce the longitudinal waves. Here you will see the two specific parts or specific formations in the spring or in the longitudinal wave. The part in which particles of the medium compress and get closer, this part is called as compression, and the part of the longitudinal wave or the spring in which particles of the medium are spread out or the far away, these are called as rarefactions. These compressions and rarefactions are continuously produced by the back and forth movement of the particles of the medium or the parallel movement in the direction of the wave. Sound waves produced in a vibrating body are the examples of the longitudinal waves, and these waves reach in our ear and affect the eardrum.